Leadership is needed to restore investor confidence. The Reserve Bank governor made the statement following depreciation of the rand and weaker economic growth. Marcus says monetary policy alone cannot solve deep-rooted problems in the economy.
The question that can reasonably be asked is whether there is room for further accommodation. Our view is that risks have increased in both directions. Our view, we have limited room for manoeuvre, despite the lower than expected first quarter GDP growth outcome.
International ratings agencies cut the country's ratings last year. There's now fear that more downgrades could be on the cards. This makes borrowing on the international market more difficult, and banks could attach stringent conditions. One of the knock-on effects is retarding the country's ambitious infrastructure program.
If our growth outlook were to deteriorate quite substantially and we don't get a resolution to, especially on the labour front, I think there is a strong possibility that we could see a further downgrade.
Labour experts says the local labour market needs urgent reconstruction to resolve current tensions. Investors are wary of sinking their money into a country beset by wildcat strikes and disharmony.
If we were to get that sign by way of bold leadership, which set out a direction and a timetable, we would see an immediate reversal of the slide in the currency. We would see a return of much of the money that has left.
Levy suggested that bargaining councils only set the range of wage increases. Final settlements should be negotiated at plant level. Luta Motlogelwa, SABC News, Johannesburg.